Hi guys, I'm Angela and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, na-miss kong gumawa ng talking videos kasi lately, puro mga makeup videos na music lang. And for today, I'm going to do a challenge and it is the So Mainstream challenge and it is the Fire Noodle Challenge. Challenge. Peh. Uy, makadako din na. Koreano kay kuhala. What? Char. Ay, mamma mia. So here is the noodles and finally nahanap ko na siya and available na siya sa nearest mall dito sa amin, sa Quezano. Thank God. Disclaimer, this is not my first time. So I have tried this na. Pero, umiinom ako ng tubig or may kahati ako. But today, I challenge myself to eat the whole thing alone and without water. Pwede ba? Posible? Or not? It's so orange. While I was making this, naglower job ko. Medyo boring. Ang sa may pwede na itong storya. So the rules that I made for myself is hindi ako pwedeng uminom ng tubig and dapat ubusin ko to. I really don't know kung ano talaga yung number 1 rule ng challenge na to if bawal uminom or uubusin. So I might do the two rules. Char, pinamark. So, yeah. Hindi na siya mainit and may technique ako na nalaman. Wait. Ano ka lang, may goodness. Wait. Mahilig ako sa maanghang and yeah, by the way, yung technique ko pala. Kung ayaw nyo ng masyadong spicy, lagyan nyo ng cheese. Cheese. Ang sarap niya, grabe. Gusto ko sanang lagyan ng cheese ngayon pero parang unfair. Oh! Dalami aday. Ay, cheese lagi! Dilagyan siya na. Bawal lagi ang cheese.
Bili na lang ako gamay.
Depende kung makamangin ako. Basta, roll.
Roll.
Singutan ako, bes.
Nainit ang judas. May wala ka maligo, bes.
Expose! Mas aanghang siya pag sigod tabi.
Gel.
Ito na ko sa phone. Basta continue lang. Basta continue lang yung pagkain mo para di mo ma-feel yung anghang. Oh my gosh.
Continue lang sa buhay para di mo feel ang sakit.
Para di mo ma-feel yung sakit. Char. Yung plum lips ko naging orange na. Naisipan ko gumawa ng video na to kasi di pa ko kumain kanina, so this is the perfect time to film. Naiiyak na ako. Darla, any tissue. Sarap. Oh my gosh. Yummers. I watch Grace. I love her vlogs. Kahang.
You guys.
Kaya ko pa best. And, wait. I really want water now.
Yeah, you like.
And I don't know if napansin nyo yung no, not really new setup, but same pa. Alam nyo ba, pag more gonna be more sama like if medyo may water pa yung noodle. Tapos, nilagay mo na yung mga sauce and ek-ek. Mas aanghang siya. Ah!
Alam mo, yan. Expert ka din? Hindi ko lang.
Thanks. Thanks you. There. Wala. Gawa na ako ng eyeliner. Oh, hindi. Gusto ko na mag-WhatsApp. No. If you guys are wondering bakit mas maputi yung mukha ko kaysa sa dito ko kasi huh? No. I was filming a Korean inspired makeup, then as usual mas maputi yung uy.
Kung wala ka nang maintindihan.
Kaya mo na yung quarter. Gamay na lang. Mahal nila. Charing. Charing.
Ay, siguro sa nila. Bilang ko dito, charing.
Charing. Oo nga eh.
Charing.
Hi, Sue.
Charing.
Sue ba ako yung suunda?
Sweet Sue.
Hindi ko na kaya. Iinom ako ng tubig. Mamatry ko. Lamas ni Hang siya. In fairness. Anyway, we're almost done. Kaya pala nagkulot ako kasi gusto kong i-achieve yung buhok ni Hansel. Ew! Sabi rin. Medyo hesitant ako sa challenge na to. Ayoko nang ubusin. Kasi 500 calories po, best.
Ha?
500 calories. 500 plus. Stop! Mura juga gibuwagan ba? Kanang Crazy X. Amar ko gatang sa kanya Taylor Swift. Last. Ang harap kuya. Guys! Nawa akong voice na po. Yes. Ang ahahang pa rin. Kukuha nila ako ng cake. Ayun. Hangya pa siya. Wait. This is now a food channel. Magmukbang ka ako sa last week yung sa last week before ako natulog nanood ako ng mga mukbang Chinese food. Korean food. Dubuke. Yung spicy shit na yun. Na nilagyan ng daming cheese. As in, naglaway talaga ako. Kaya ayun, bumili agad ako ng mga Korean noodle.
Oh!
Oh my god, it's so spicy! I'm so proud of myself because for this week I have filmed 3 videos, including this video. And we're also close to 3,000 subscribers. So ayun, I'll try to upload videos once a week. So I guess that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if meron pa kayong mga challenges na gustong ipagawa sa akin or with my friends, let me know in the comment section and yo. And that's it. I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this because I enjoyed and nabusog ako. Like, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and comment some video suggestions you want to see next on my channel. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this. Follow me on my social medias, everything at ageladymorales X, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and my Facebook. So that's it. Aalis na ako. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. And always remember that it's okay not to be perfect. Bye!